What is Energy? By Christian Downey. Energy. You use energy all the time. You use energy when you talk. You use energy when you eat. Anything that can do work or cause change has energy. You use energy when you walk, run, or play sports. You use energy when you think. You even use energy when you sleep. Solar energy. Earth gets energy from the sun. Energy from the sun is called solar energy. Solar energy is heat and light. People can use the sun's energy to make things work. The calculator above uses the sun's energy to work. The solar panel traps the solar energy. The car below also uses the sun's energy to work. Living things use energy. All living things need energy. Green plants use energy to live, grow, and make food. Green plants get energy from the sun. They make food using sunlight, air, and water. Animals use energy to live, grow, and move. Animals get energy from food. Some animals get energy from eating green plants. People use energy too. People get energy from food. Food gives us energy. When you get energy from food, you can work, play, and grow. Different kinds of food keep your body healthy. There are 5 important food groups. Your body needs food from all these groups. If you eat too many sweets or foods from one group, you may not stay healthy. The 5 food groups. This picture shows foods from the 5 food groups. Which foods did you eat today? One, meat, fish, eggs, and dry beans help your body grow. 2, fruits have vitamins and minerals that your body needs. 3, bread, rice, cereals, and pasta give your body energy. 4, vegetables have vitamins that your body needs. 5, milk, yogurt, and cheese help your teeth and bones grow strong. Sources of heat. A source is a place from which something comes. Heat can come from the sun. The sun is one source of heat. Heat can come from other sources too. Heat can come from a stove. Heat can come from a fire. Some stoves use gas. Gas is a kind of fuel. A fuel is something that is burned to make heat. Wood, oil, and coal can also be used as fuel. Heat moves. Heat moves from hot places and objects to cooler places and objects. In this picture, heat is moving from the fire to the marshmallows. Some materials are heat conductors. A conductor is a material that allows heat to pass easily through it. The cookie tray in this picture is made of metal. Metal is a conductor. The tray lets heat get to the cookies. The oven mitts are not conductors. Heat cannot move easily through them. Light. Light is a kind of energy. Light can come from a candle, a lamp, or the sun. Most sources of heat also give off light. Light moves in straight lines. It can move through things that are clear. Light can move through glass or water. Sometimes light hits an object it cannot go through. Light will bounce or reflect off the object. A mirror is not clear. Light cannot go through it. Light reflects off a mirror. The light we see is called white light, but it is made up of many different colors. This prism is bending the sunlight. The light becomes separated into its colors. How many colors can you see? Raindrops can act like prisms to make rainbows. The raindrops bend the light and separate it into its colors. Light reflects off light colors. The next time you are hot, wear something white. You will feel cooler. Light does not reflect as much off dark colors. If you wear something dark on a hot sunny day, you will get even hotter. Shadows. A shadow is made when something blocks a source of light. You can make a shadow by blocking light with your body. You can play with shadows using a flashlight. Shadows change during the day. In the early morning, light from the sun makes long shadows. At noon, the sun shines directly above us. Shadows are very short. The sunlight cannot easily be blocked. In the late afternoon, long shadows can be made again. It becomes easier to block the sunlight. Other kinds of energy. Some other kinds of energy are motion, wind, sound, and electricity. It is important to use electricity safely. Keep things that use electricity, like this CD player, away from water. Never touch a cord that has a wire showing. All living things need and use energy. Energy comes from many different sources. The most important source of energy is the sun. Did you use light or heat from the sun today? Did you use electricity? Pay attention to the sources of energy you use. Energy is all around us.